At 6:19 p.m., a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Williamsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Elkhart and Cornland around 6:35 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 103 and 121.